Welcome to this lecture, an exercise 13.8 walkthrough, in which we will create an XY scatter chart. In this exercise, we will complete a walkthrough of exercise 13.8. 13.8 is not a graded exercise. However, it is required for 13.9, which is. 13.8 will be based on exercise 8.4. If you have not already completed exercise 8.4, please stop now and go back and complete exercise 8.4 before continuing. In this exercise, we will create an XY scatter chart. Let's begin by opening the 8.4 report. And let's save it under the name E13.8 XY scatter chart. Let's switch to the design view and let's insert into the report header a new chart object, approximately centered on the screen. Let's right-click and use the Chart Expert to change the chart to an XY scatter chart. Next, select the Data tab. Let's leave On Change Of alone in the first text box and add the field Order Date. Next, let's select the field Order ID and the field Order Amount and add them to the Show Values. Let's go back and choose Sum of Order ID and change the Set Summary options and make that Distinct Count. Next, let's go to the Options tab and change the marker shape to triangle. Then, let's go to the Text tab and uncheck Auto Text for title and subtitle. Let's change the main title to XY Scatter Chart, and let's change the subtitle to Orders by Month. And click OK. Let's preview the report. Note that we've inherited the grouping by month that was set for the original report. This is an easy point to miss, so be sure that that's correct. One axis is the sum of order amounts, and the baseline axis is distinct count of order ID. Your data should resemble the data indicated by the triangles. With the report satisfactory, be sure to save your work. This concludes the lesson.